First of all, congratulations for being the new president of FFCCCII. Before becoming president, sir, matagal na ba kayo sa board?
Actually, I've been with the Federation for 30 years now. I've been board member for more than 15 years.
Yung sa headquarters. Yung sa headquarters, yung sa main. Oh. Sir, manufacture kayo ng paper. Manufacture kayo ng paper, ng mga notebooks, di ba? Pero yung mga tao ngayon, they are going digital, computer na lahat. So how would you encourage the young people to still use paper for their writing?
Right now, I think the future is the AI coming out. The digital paper will be used. So we have to look for some other area we can invest on.
So nabanggit nyo na kanina kung ano yung mga projects nyo. Meron kayong weekly training for entrepreneurs. So kung sino gusto magnegosyo. But beyond that, we're talking about the year and the next year. Ano pa yung projection nyo for your projects?
The future will be the AI. We have to more concentrate on new AI program how to
And you said na yung mga young people, they could bring much to the
we
organization.
have young people in our organization. Our second generation officer, they join our federation now. So our future will be very bright.
Okay. Ano naman po ang insight nyo sa bagong setup ng senatorial?
By the will of the people, it's a very good sign. It's a very peaceful election.
Alright sir, again congratulations
Thank you.
and good luck.
Thank you.
Okay po.